In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank account to a polished email ready to send to your subscribers. First, log into your Mailerlite account and head over to your main dashboard. At the top, you'll see a menu. Click on Campaigns. On this page, look for the Create Campaign button, usually highlighted in a bright color. Click that to start a new email. When you're asked what kind of campaign you want to create, choose Regular Campaign. This is the standard option for newsletters and one-off broadcasts. Give your campaign an internal name that makes sense to you, like Weekly Update or April Newsletter. This name is just for your reference inside Mailerlite, so your subscribers won't see it. Next, it's time to design your newsletter. Choose the drag and drop editor. This is the easiest way to build your email without needing any code. On the left side of the editor, you'll see different content blocks such as headers, text, images, and buttons. Simply drag any block you want into the email preview area. For example, you might drag a header block to the top, then a text block underneath, and maybe an image or button below that. To customize each block, just click on it in the preview. On the right side, you'll see options to edit the content and the design. Here you can change the text, adjust fonts, tweak colors, and add links to your buttons and images. Take a moment to explore these settings so your newsletter matches your brand's look and feel. You can also edit your global or template settings. This is where you set your default fonts, brand colors, and footer details so you don't have to style every block from scratch. If you want to add a personal touch, use personalization variables like inserting a first name in your greeting. Mailerlite will replace these with your subscribers' details when the email is sent. Once your design looks good, move on to the campaign details. Here, fill in your subject line, your sender name, and the sender email address you want people to see. Add a short pre-header text as well. This is the line that appears next to your subject in the inbox and can help increase opens. Under Recipients, choose the group or segment of subscribers who should receive this newsletter, then continue to the final step. When you're happy with everything, click Done Editing. Review all the details, your subject line, pre-header, sender information, and the content of your email. Send a test email to yourself to make sure everything looks right in your inbox and on mobile. If everything checks out, you can either send the campaign immediately or schedule it to go out at a later date and time. And that's all it takes to create and send a newsletter in Mailerlite.